from Raleigh. I've got a in-ground vinyl line pool, pretty good size, 20 by 40. It was there when I bought the home. The only thing I've added was a pool heater. And if there's a technical question, something's not operating correctly, I can always talk to someone here. And if they don't know the answer, they find someone who knows the answer. So I go home and I'm equipped and ready to keep going. Buy all my chemicals here and my parts. And pretty much you always have what I need. I very rarely are you out of the parts. So what I'm saying is if the pool's not operating correctly, I can get it running that day, which is important to me. Especially if your pool starts to cloud up or something, you want to rectify it before anything gets any worse. It's friendly atmosphere. It feels like family, actually.